everyone, welcome to my Project Ideas channel. Today we'll learn how to encode and decode message using Tkinter module in Python. So let us begin. So for this, first of all, you need any code editor or any IDE as per your choice. The second thing needed is the Tkinter module. So for it, simply type pip install tk. As I have already installed it, it is showing that requirements already satisfied. Now let us see our code. So over here, first of all, we have imported the Tkinter module. After it, we have initialized the font type and its size. Over here, I have used Times New Roman with text size 25 and bold. Now in the Caesar Cipher class, what we are doing is, first of all, we are setting the title as a Caesar Cipher GUI, because over here we will be implementing the Caesar Cipher to encrypt and decrypt the message. So what exactly how it works is, it works by shifting the alphabets with respect to the key number. The key will be integer. And for example, A is our plain text, means the original message. Our ciphertext means the encrypted message will be, and if the key is the 1, then A plus 1 is equal to B. Like for example, let me type over here. That if our plain text is A, okay, and our key is 1. So our encrypted text will be A plus 1 means B. And in the similar way, if I want to decrypt it, what will I do is, I will simply minus this key from this encrypted text to get the plain text, or say the decoded message. So B minus 1 will be A. So now let us move ahead. Over here, I am using this plain text and ciphertext. I'm using the string variable for it, and for the key, I'm using this integer variable. Now, these are some of its controls. Using the label, I am simply labeling it as a plain text, and this is the foreground. It will be shown using the green color. And same way, if this entry function is used to enter the plain text inside it, and the similar way, this is the button. What will this button do is, it will, next to this plain text, I will get one button having the name labeled as an encrypt. After pressing it, I will be able to encrypt it, and either I will be also able to clear it. Now these are some of the key controls. Over here as well, the label will be key will be written, and I will be able to enter the key in the integer name. Now this is the ciphertext. Some controls are there. The text will be ciphertext will be written in the red color. I will be able to enter this ciphertext using this dot entry function, and in this button as well, after entering this ciphertext, I will press on the decrypt, and this will be labeled as decrypt, and I will be also able to clear it. Now these are some of the main definitions, sub-main definitions. This one is the definition of the clear function. It will simply clear our text box. In the same way, this get key function will take the key from the user using this .get function. Now these are our two main methods for the encryption and decryption. Over here we will be using the ciphertext encryption and decryption. So over here you can see, first of all, using this .get key function, I'm encrypting it. So deleting and inserting the ciphertext will be worked in the same way. So now these are our formulas. For example, ciphertext is entered. It is blank. So first of all, this is the formula for the encryption purpose. So over here, first of all, we are converting this plain text to the upper. Then we will check, is it alphabet or not? If it will be alphabet, then what we are doing is, over here we are adding the key and minus 65. In the ASCII value, it starts from that. So we are subtracting it, and after it we are adding this modulus 26, because total 26 alphabets are there, and again we are adding 65 to it to get the text in uppercase. Now this is our decryption formula. Over here as well, first of all we are converting the ciphertext into uppercase, then we are checking is it alphabet or not. If it is alphabet, then what we are doing is we are, instead of over here we will be over here we were increasing the key, over here we will be subtracting the key and the 65 as well, after it this modulus 26 and plus 65. And if in case if it is not the alphabet, if it is a letter, then we will be simply adding it. Now to run the function we are using this main loop. Now let us see how exactly it will work. So over here you can see this is a plain text in green and this ciphertext in red, and over these two buttons for encrypt and decrypt, and this one is a clear one. This key will be in integer, initially it will be 0. Now for example, I am typing plain text as project. Now if I am encrypting it, see that the key is 0. So the ciphertext is the same as the plain text. Now if I am changing the key as for example 1 and I'm encrypting it, it is showing me this as the ciphertext. Over here you can see P plus 1 is Q, R plus 1 is S. In the same way the others are encrypted. In the similar way, if I will change the key in between 1 to 26, it will show in this way. Now let us see if I want to decrypt this, and over here the key is 1, and I will click press on decrypt. It will again show me the project. Yeah, so in this way it will work. Thank you.